Hi, my name is Bob, and I'm a band director. Can you imagine being able to read any rhythm in your music and never having any troubles? Well, the videos that I'm producing for you right now in this Rhythm Trainer series are going to do just that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, that way you're always getting this new content to help you. I just want to say thank you for watching this video today. I hope it was very helpful. There'll be more videos like this coming, so make sure to hit the subscribe button. That way you're always getting the new content I'm putting out for you. I'll see you in my next video.